We literally have 30 acres left, that's it. It is really cold today. They're destroyed. The last pass of wheat harvest 2021. It's a Friday night, come on. Yeah. I slept in this morning because it rained a lot, like at 7 o'clock. Not thinking we're doing wheat today. It was low-key flooding at like 7 o'clock. Less than ideal for wheat harvest. We literally have 30 acres left, that's it. That's not even a full day worth. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. It is a Friday today. Should be the last day of wheat harvest, but we'll see how the day goes. It is really cold today. It's only like, I think 14 degrees right now, so I had to run in, put on a sweater because I was cold. But yeah, so today we are emptying out the last of our canola in a bin. Last night we were shipping canola at about 8 o'clock, so we have a little bit left over just because it didn't all fit. So we're probably just gonna put it in a wagon, and not sure what we're gonna do with it. Maybe cover crop, I don't know. Okay guys, so we're all done emptying out and cleaning up the canola, but since we had the augers out already, we figured we'd fill the corn bin across the road. So that's what we're doing right now. I got the corn, Dad's got the auger. Yeah, so that's what we're doing now. It's also like 10:30, I think, maybe 11. So I'm starting to get hungry. Every day before we get started on harvest, I've been cleaning Dad's windows off. Not like super cleaning them, but just dusting them off because it gets so dusty out there. Don't know where all my towels went. So I just used one of these cloths and I just dust it down quick, and it seems to make a difference. I don't know. Okay, so Dad has gone off to fill up the combine real quick. Then we're probably gonna eat lunch. It's like shortly after 12. We're trying to give the wheat as much time to dry as possible. It did rain like half an inch yesterday, so we're just trying to let it dry as much this morning just because we only have 30 acres left. So we're not in a huge rush to get it done. We're just giving it some time. I think we're also gonna try and save some of the last bit of wheat for wheat seed. So we just bin run our wheat seed, and then rather than buying new seed, we just use the wheat that we just took off and plant like a wagon or so of it for next year. So yeah, squad roll up.
Ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Dollar bills, dollar bills.
Has this combine been better on field than the caseless?
Oh yeah.
Like a lot better?
Significantly.
That's nice.
Yeah, so we did 172 acres, and there's 14% left in the fuel tank. So
that's pretty good.
yeah, I would have to fill up the case after about 110 or 120 probably. So.
Okay. The last 30 acres. The end is in sight. It's 1:30 right now. I'm thinking we'll probably be done at about 7 o'clock, 7:30. And then it'll just be a matter of putting everything away. So, yeah, I'm gonna get my tractor started and head my way over. This is our first half of the field, and then right there is the other half. There goes Jack with the header cart. Alrighty, Dad is currently opening up the field, so I'm just kind of sitting here in the ditch patiently waiting, and I thought to pass some time I would share what my outfit is today, just because I'm sure you guys are very concerned what it is. I'm wearing Dad's Carhartt hoodie, because like why would I wear my own clothing, am I right? Also wearing these Lululemon pants, which yes, I know it's weird to work in Lululemon pants, they're very expensive, but I'm tall and they fit, so I don't care. I'm also wearing my Blunnies as per usual. These things are so beat, like they're destroyed. But I have been wearing them for like over 5 years, so what else do I expect really? And then I'm also wearing our Shepherd Creek t-shirts that I cut into a tank top. I'll have that linked below. And then the sunnies are from some random beach shop. They're so messed up, but they're my work sunnies, so I don't really care that much. Alright, we just finished this half the field. Now we have to go and do over here. Last pass of wheat harvest 2021, and of course it is a down wheat pass. Shocker. What could be more appropriate, honestly? And there goes our last load of wagons. They are fully stuffed because I really want to get the buggy empty. Okay, it is July 30th and we are all done wheat harvest. Yay! Little wheat harvest recap. Only got told to hurry up once. I take that as a big win. Had to ice my back twice. Got buggered up hips, terrible knees. But that's about it. I'm like a 19-year-old in a 49-year-old's body, I'm not gonna lie. I'm in tough shape right now, but am I gonna go with my friends anyways? Yeah, it's a Friday night, come on.